Hey everyone, again we're doing exercise 2.24 and now we're going to be doing it from students' perspective. There won't be too much of coding from scratch here. I'll simply add few lines of code. I'll add conditions that student A didn't think of, right? So here's our solution from student A's perspective. It went well in a way that, it worked well in a way that it did give us what we expected. But question is, what if our user decided to input series with the same name, or maybe duplicates of cities? We've got 3 cities, however 2 are the same. We gotta take care of that. I don't think our program should allow that to happen. So on this solution here, it's more or less like what we had before, right? In fact, it's definitely what we had, except that I've changed the way I've declared my 3 cities. I've declared them in one line, separated them by a comma. That's the only thing I did. And on top of that, what I'll do is to add another condition, which will simply make sure that we don't get cities with the same names. We don't allow duplicates, period. Okay, so here's what I'll do. I'll go if first city dot equals, there's a method called equals ignore case. If this is the case, or first city dot equals ignore case that city, or second city equals ignore case that city. If basically what I'm saying here, if any of the 2 are alike, regardless of their cases, right, then we have a problem. Then we'll simply exit our program by simply going system.out.print error. Make sure there are no duplicate cities, and then I'll simply exit my program using my status as 1. That should be it, you guys. That's the only thing I wanted you guys to know and understand, that it's useful on our solution. You can check it. Let's try cities. Let's try Durban. Come on, I'm from South Africa, so it won't hurt putting cities in my country. Cape Town. I'm from South Africa, that's what I meant. Of course, I didn't mean that backslash to be in there. Johannesburg. Let's see if it works. So it's Cape Town, Durban, and Johannesburg. Seems like things are pretty okay with our program. Guess I'll see you guys on the very next exercise, which is exercise 4.24. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.